Hey, fellow gardeners! Are you tired of seeing your hard work in the garden go to waste? Or maybe you're looking for ways to stretch your harvest and save some serious cash. If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 4 simple yet powerful ways to maximize your garden's harvest. Trust me, these tips will help you stop wasting food and start saving money, and the best part? They're super easy to implement. So, let's dive in. Tip 1. Succession planting. Let's kick things off with a game changer, succession planting. Ever wondered how some gardens seem to produce all season long? Well, the secret is in planting crops in succession. Instead of planting everything at once and having a single harvest, try staggering your plantings every 2-3 weeks. This way, you'll always have fresh veggies ready to pick, and nothing will go to waste. For example, once your early lettuce is done, you can plant some beans in the same spot. This keeps your garden producing and your kitchen stocked. Tip 2. Companion planting. Next up, companion planting. This technique not only helps maximize your space, but also boosts your yield. Certain plants, when grown together, can help each other thrive. For instance, planting basil next to tomatoes can enhance the flavor of your tomatoes while repelling pests. Marigolds are another great companion plant that keeps harmful insects at bay. By pairing the right plants together, you'll create a healthier, more productive garden without spending extra money on pesticides or fertilizers. Tip 3. Proper harvesting techniques. Now, let's talk about something crucial: harvesting at the right time and in the right way. Did you know that picking your veggies at the right moment can actually encourage more growth? Take zucchini, for example. If you harvest them when they're smaller, the plant will keep producing more. But if you leave them on the vine too long, the plant thinks its job is done and slows down production. So, keep an eye on your crops, and don't be afraid to harvest regularly. Not only will you get more food, but it'll also be fresher and tastier. Tip 4. Preserving your harvest. Alright, so you've got a bountiful harvest, what now? This is where preserving comes into play. Freezing, drying, and canning are excellent ways to make sure none of your hard-earned produce goes to waste. For example, if you have an overload of tomatoes, you can easily turn them into tomato sauce or salsa and store it for months. Got a ton of herbs? Dry them out and use them all year round. By preserving your harvest, you're extending the life of your garden's produce, meaning you'll be saving money on groceries in the long run. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to maximize your garden's harvest. By implementing these tips, you'll not only stop wasting food, but also save money and get the most out of your gardening efforts. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening hacks and tips. And hey, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to maximize your harvest? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening!